Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how Magic Edit works in Canva, how you can replace any object in Canva using Magic Edit, right? So as you can see, we are into Canva and here we have just selected a blank image template of 1600 by 900 pixels, right? Now what we are going to do is we are going to click on elements and search for car key, and here as you can see there are lots of car keys, right? You can simply select any of the image, right? So it's not necessary to select the same image. You can select as per your requirement, right? Here I'm just selecting any other image if I like the most. Okay, this image would work. Let's delete it, and here I'm just going to place it and increase the size. Okay, now going to click on edit, and here you will see a magic edit feature. You can simply click on it, describe what to add or change, right? In spite of key, I want stone, right? Click on generate and let's see what happens, right? It will take a little bit time, right? And if oh, it's done. So this is how Magic Edit feature works in Canva. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.